Hello, into my factory. I just finished this fine part, and as you see, treat is done, and actually their customer get me a nut what is with a inside metric treat, M40 by pitch 1.5, but before video for that we create here for metric treat M39 by 1.5, but nuts is this one. So I can screw it on and anything is fine. Also I removed this damaged sprocket from here, and so I ballet a little bit, find this, and then by cutting tool I just removed the welding, and then by hammer I just beat it off from this seat. So and now customer on the way to pick up this part, and then he can put it back on his harvester. So work is done, and so it looks for now. So thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.